I actually wanted to do a quick little unboxing video to show you exactly what you're getting, just on the off chance that you're not sure. Hey, do I need to buy another cable? Do I need to buy another SD card? Do I need to buy a suction cup? What do I need to buy, if anything? And so let's see exactly what is included in this. First of all, here's the camera itself. All right, very nice. Ooh, that is slim. That is cool. All right, and now, of course, all the wires. This is, of course, is going to be the rear camera. Okay, it's got the little mounting bracket already on there. It's got a little protective thing over the top. That looks really long. Oh, and it's got the little plug that goes natively right into your radio. If in fact you have one of those new stereos, you just plug that right into. Or this could actually go right into this right up. It's probably going to be up top right here, AV in. There we go. Oh, that is cool. All right, so that's how that's gonna work. And this little guy looks like another little mounting sticky thing. We'll refer to the directions later when it comes to that. We've got the little ball and socket. This, of course, is going to be stuck onto the windshield itself. And of course, the power cable. And this is going to be used to be plugging right into the cigarette lighter. And I wish it had an available USB somewhere in there, but it looks like it's going to be taking up the entire port just dedicated to this. Although it does look like it is powered by USB-C. So if you have the ability to power on your own using your own USB-C cable, you could probably do just that. Of course, we've got the little sticky clear thing. This goes on the windshield between the actual suction cup, or not suction cup, but this, instead of putting this directly onto the windshield and leaving permanent residue on there, you could use this little clear thing and it sticks onto there, kind of makes it easier. And it comes with 2 of those, okay? And of course, we've got the little manual right here, 4K Ultra HD dual dash cam. That is pretty cool, nice. And maintenance and mode, then notes. Okay, that's nice. So there you go. That concludes everything. Let's go ahead and look at the final installation.